Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint scanner animation on this device. So now we can see that we got just the neon animation here, and now we'll change it in the settings. So we should go into the settings application and here scroll down to the passwords and security. After that, click here to the fingerprint unlock. Here drop your pattern or pin code, and here you will see the fingerprint animation section. Click here. Now we can see our currently fingerprint animation, and here we can change it to this starlight, aurora, and the pulse. I'll go with this one, and now just go back and lock the device, and we'll see. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our fingerprint scanner animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.